In this video we want to show you how to check in online with Volotea Airlines with your smartphone to get your boarding pass. We are showing how you can check in with the need of downloading the Volotea app. But the steps will work with the app too. First, open your booking confirmation email you got from Volotea. Click on the Check-in Online button. Here are our booking details. Let us proceed to the online check-in. Accept the instructions of not bringing dangerous goods on board, which are prohibited. Here you get an overview of the automatically assigned seats from the airline. The seats are not located next to each other. It will cost €11.50 to sit next to your traveling companion. At the end you can select if you are bringing any luggage besides the carry-on. That's for free. And you can book in-flight entertainment. We are done. After clicking on Continue, you can download your boarding passes. You have to print your boarding pass yourself, otherwise you will get charged a service fee, which is currently €30. You can directly download the boarding pass to your smartphone and open it with an PDF reader. This is how the boarding pass looks like. You can find useful additional information on the ticket, like approved luggage sizes and departure time. Be sure to print it and bring it with you to the airport. With this boarding pass you can go straight to the boarding gate if you don't have any big luggage with you. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe for daily new videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.